Modern age MCQs, physics first year, unit number 2, vectors and equilibrium, port number 5. In which quadrant the x component of a vector is negative? Option A first, option B second, option C third, option D B and C. The key is B and C, therefore correct option is D. Reason: in the second quadrant, the components of a vector are minus fx plus fy, and in the third quadrant, the components of a vector are minus fx minus fy. Hence, the x component of a vector is negative in quadrant second and third. In which quadrant the y component of a vector is negative? Option A second, option B third, option C fourth, option D B and C. The key is B and C. Therefore, the correct option is D. Reason: in the third quadrant, the components of a vector are minus fx minus fy, and in the fourth quadrant, the components of the vector are plus fx minus fy. Hence, the y component of a vector is negative in quadrant third and fourth. In which quadrant the x component of a vector is positive? Option A first, option B third, option C fourth, option D A and C. The key is A and C. Therefore, option D is correct. Reason: in the first quadrant, the components of a vector are plus fx plus fy, and in the fourth quadrant, the components of a vector are plus fx minus fy. Hence, in first and fourth quadrant, x component of a vector is positive. In which quadrant the y component of a vector is positive? Option A first, option B second, option C fourth, option D A and B. The key is A and B. Therefore, correct option is D. Reason: in the first quadrant, the components of a vector are plus fx plus fy, and in the second quadrant, the components of a vector are minus fx plus fy. Hence, the y component of a vector is positive in first and second quadrant. The position vector or of a point P with the coordinates x, y, z in space can also be written as option A xi unit vector plus yj unit vector plus zk unit vector, B xi unit vector plus yj unit vector plus 0k unit vector, C xi unit vector plus 0j unit vector plus zk unit vector, D 0 unit vector plus yj unit vector plus zk unit vector. Key is xi unit vector plus yj unit vector plus zk unit vector. Therefore, correct option is A. Reason: the unit vector I, j and k indicate the directions along the x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. The components of position vector or of a point P, x, y, z in space are x, y, z in the direction of I, j and k. Therefore, the position vector of a point P with coordinates x, y, z in spaces r unit vector is equal to xi unit vector plus yj unit vector plus zk unit vector. Hence, position vector of a point in space is xi unit vector plus yj unit vector plus zk unit vector. If x component of a vector is 3 Newton and its y component is minus 3 Newton, then the angle of the resultant with the x-axis will be option A 45 degree, B 135 degree, C 225 degree, D 315 degree. The key is 315 degree. Therefore, the correct option is B. Reason. Phi is equal to tangent inverse Fy over Fx, where Fi is the y component and Fx is the x component, gives phi is equal to tangent inverse 3 by 3, which is equal to 45 degree. The vector is in the fourth quadrant because its y component is negative. Therefore, the angle with the x-axis is theta is equal to 360 minus phi, because the angle is measured always in anti-clockwise direction from the positive x-axis. Therefore, theta is equal to 360 minus 45, or theta is equal to 315 degree. Hence, the angle of the resultant with the x-axis is 315 degree. If x component of a vector is 3 Newton and its y component is minus 3 Newton, then the angle of the resultant with the y-axis will be option A 45 degree, B 135 degree, C 225 degree, D 315 degree. The key is 45 degree. Therefore, the correct option is A. Reason. The angle phi is equal to tangent inverse y component divided by x component gives phi is equal to tangent inverse 3 by 3, which is equal to 45 degree. The vector is in the fourth quadrant because the y component is negative and x component is positive. Therefore, the angle with the positive x-axis in counterclockwise direction is 45 degree. Hence, the angle with y-axis is negative y-axis is theta is equal to 90 minus 45 degree. How are two vectors of same magnitude oriented to get a resultant of same magnitude? Option A 45 degree, option B 60 degree, option C 90 degree, option D 120 degree. Therefore, key is 120 degree. Therefore, the correct option is D. Reason. The two vectors of same magnitude are oriented in such a way that they form an equilateral triangle with the resultant equal to the magnitude of vectors. Each of the internal angles of triangle is 60 degree, but angle between two vectors is measured when they are placed tail to tail. Therefore, the angle between the two vectors is the external angle, which is 180 degree minus 60 degree is equal to 120 degree. Hence, the angle between the two vectors is 120 degree. The force of 10 Newton is resolved into two components. If a horizontal component is 6 Newton, then the vertical component will be option A 4 Newton, option B 8 Newton, option C 10 Newton, option D 12 Newton. The key is 8 Newton. Therefore, the correct option is B. Reason. The magnitude of force F is equal to square root Fx square plus Fy square, or 10 is equal to 36 plus square root of y component, where 36 is the square of 6 Newton, or y component square is equal to 100 minus 36, which is equal to 64. It is obtained by squaring 10 is equal to square root 36 plus Fy square, or Fy is equal to 10 Newton. Hence, the vertical component of the force is 8 Newton. What is the angle between vector A and vector B for which addition of B vector in A is equal to the subtraction of B vector from A. Option A 30 degree, option B 45 degree, option C 60 degree, option D 90 degree. The key is 90 degree. Therefore, the correct option is D. Reason. Let the angle between vectors A and B is theta and resultants R1 is equal to A plus B and R2 is equal to A minus B. Now, R1 square is equal to R1 dot R1 which is equal to A plus B dot A plus B which is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. Similarly, R2 square is equal to R2 dot R2 which is equal to A minus B dot A minus B which is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos theta. As the magnitude of vector A plus B is equal to the magnitude of vector A minus B, therefore R1 is equal to R2R. R1 square is equal to R2 square R. A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos theta. A square is cancelled from left side to right side and B square is also cancelled from both sides. So we have 4AB cos theta is equal to 0. 4AB cannot be equal to 0. Therefore, cos theta is equal to 0 or theta is equal to 90 degree. Hence, the angle between vector A and B is 90 degree.